Is that struggling? Is that... No.
Joining us again. What we have going on here is the big dog. If you've been watching the previous two videos, we've had the weightlifting on the Tello. Holy smoke. Look at the egg.
Crack on.
Let's crack on with the egg. We've had the weightlifting on the Mavic Mini.
Take off.
There we go. And now we're going to go for weightlifting with the Mavic Pro Platinum. This is the big girl. What can it lift? I mean, it weighs in itself is 750 grams just straight off the bat. Oh, I've reset the scales. That's no good.
Turn the scales on.
Let's do that. So straight off, this comes in at, yeah, 750 grams. So it's a big old girl. What we need to do is just give it a, let's get the hook on it so that it can pick some up. I've got the bit of wire with a hook. Let's get it through the base. Oh, I'm working.
Need to be longer.
I'm working with a pair of Muppets here.
Justin Bieber's Chevy Devil.
All right, and okay.
There it is.
Let's get that through there and get that tied in there.
I'm not sure that is the best place.
Well, I'm not sure it's the best place because it's not. It's at the back.
If you're a scientist and you understand how this works.
But the thing is, you know what? It's away from the down sensors. Yeah. So I mean, and it must have the hooks on there, you know, under there for some reason. So
if you know, drop it down in the comments.
Isn't it?
I'm going for it. I'm just going to go for it. Let's see what happens.
I think what we're going to do is put loads of weight on this. It's going to go up and go.
So let's go for this. Let's get it in the air. Let's
Let's give it a go.
Yeah, baby.
right then, crack it on up. Shall we? Can it lift from there? Go on. I'll tell you. I don't know if we should do it off the table. Go on. Pull them down. Let's get them. Oh, she goes. Right then. Okay. So how does it handle the? Yeah, it's pretty good there. So in the last video, the Mavic Mini managed to lift Buzz and the Tello, which all comes in weight at around about 160 grams. So this should do that no problem at all. It really should. So let's start off just by seeing if it can match what the Mavic Mini did.
Didn't even change.
Poor old Buzz. Oh yeah, I mean,
light work, baby.
straight up in the air, no problem at all. Right, okay, bring it down, bring it on in. Bring it on in. Come down to me, come down to me. Right then, so let's try where the other one failed, and that was to lift two Tellos. That was to lift two Tellos and Buzz. So let's see if I can hook up another Tello on the back of this.
I'm freezing over here.
The sun's gone in, and now we've got like a gale force wind blowing with this. It's got so much power. It's a powerful beast. Right then, so let's just weigh this in then, because this is going to be pretty heavy now. This is two Tellos with batteries and the string. This is 238 grams.
That's nearly the weight of this, isn't it?
That is, yeah. So this is pretty much lifting up the Mavic Mini. Let's have a look. Okay, we're in. Battery power up at yeah, we're 85%, so pretty good. Let's see how we get on. Oh my word! Oh, it's not even breath. Look at that. It's just. Has he got? Yeah, because he got plenty to go. Oh yeah. Okay, bring it down, bring it down. Holy smoke! That is ridiculous. Now that has surprised me. I knew it was going to be good.
So we try and with.
But I didn't think it was going to be that good. I need more weight. So
this is, like I said, this is. You took the battery out.
Now, do you know what?
I'm going to go for three Tellos.
This is a good test. So, I knew someone back when I was at university that fished. They wanted to know if they could hang like bait off of a drone,
Yeah.
take it out, and then drop it off the drone somewhere if they made something that they've
You can. That video's been made. That one's been done.
So this is it.
That one's been done. This is nobody. I've never seen a video that's flown 3 Tellos under a Mavic Pro. You know, this and Buzz Light. This is original footage. This is, you know, we're not copying anybody else. We're doing it ourselves.
Absolutely excelente content.
So this is
How many Funkos could a drone hold?
this is 3 Tellos with batteries and Buzz Lightyear, which is now coming in at 321 grams. Not forgetting this was 750 grams. So this is well, yeah. We shall say I've got it all tangled up now. Oh no, Buzz is tangled. He's going to go if I'm not careful. Oh no, what's happening? Oh no, Buzz is. Oh, I don't know. I'm just going to go for it. How's that looking? Yeah, this is it. We've got elastification going on here. Here we go. This is the bigger. This is a biggie. Oh my goodness me. Is it good? Yeah. Has it got something to go? Oh my God, it's even got power. Bring it back. Bring it down. This is just crazy. This is just crazy. This is just unbelievable. I can't believe the power. Okay, well, I'm thinking the egg. I'm thinking.
That's only 60 grams.
Yeah, but we've got 3 Tellos, Buzz, and an egg. I think we're going to go for the egg as well. 3 Tellos, Buzz, and an egg, which is going to bring it into. This is 390 grams. Let's get the egg in there. Right, you grab hold of them, Cayman. You get the wire on that. Find the end bit. I need the Tellos to tie up. That's it. All right. I've just got to attach the egg in here somehow. Let's see if I can get the egg in. This could be disastrous if it comes down. It's going to might get one of us with the egg.
3 Tellos in one hit.
And an egg. I hope the egg don't crack. That won't be funny if the egg breaks. It'll be excellent.
Hey-oh.
Right, and here we go. God, it's cold with the wind off that.
I'm freezing.
That is blowing some proper. Right, go on then, hook it in. What's your head? What's your head? Jesus, about to took your head off. Right, and here we go. Buzz is up.
Yeah,
The egg is up. And the oh my word. Is that struggling? Is that? No. Oh my word.
Let's add everything else on.
Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. How's the battery power doing? It's eating a bit of battery.
15%.
What was the weight on that? What was the weight on that?
390. I don't want to put these on the table though.
Now this is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. This clown sitting next to me thinks that it's going to be able to pick up a.
0.5.
That's 0.5, so that's 500 grams.
It is 500 grams of weight, and you think it's going to pick this up?
I think he'll give it a good go.
It's going to go straight through
over the glass table though.
the glass table.
Over this.
That would be a good video. Let's go for it.
Shit. Oh. I'm just trying to make it.
Yeah, let go of it a minute. Let go of it. Let go of it. Half a kilo. Holy smoke! That's really struggling, though, isn't it? Will it go up? Will it go up? Will it climb? Wow. Somebody didn't tie it on very well. I was lucky I took it off. It's just took half a kilo. Well, that was. Let's bring it back, and then let's go for a.
Let's go for one.
No, it's never going to do that.
That's a 0.5.
Let's go for the half a kilo then with a Tello or something. No. Just land it a sec. Just bring it down. Oh yeah. Land it. Yeah. Can you get it on the table? Nah, it's not gonna happen. It don't like the glass. I don't think it likes the glass. Right. All the fans going inside. She's got a bit hot. What's it on 58%?
It's on fine. Just leave it.
Okay. So
this is going to be the last one.
before we destroy it.
It struggled with that. It did it, but it was that's pretty close.
So what? So we're talking 500. So let's just have a look at what was all of this. So everything.
I've got buzz on there.
Everything isn't still. We're not getting.
You're never gonna wear
If I put everything on there.
Look at this. I've seen artwork in New Zealand.
Oh, it is.
As good as this.
This is the one. This is 552 grams. If I get everything on there, that is what's out. This is the one. This is the final challenge. This is for everything we've got. And if it does this, I will be astounded. Well, I'm astounded anyway, to be fair.
I mean, that 500 grams.
But even so, we're talking about comparison with the Tello, power to weight ratio. The Tello didn't do bad, did it?
I mean, this is again, isn't it? Like, this is double, well, more than double the price of the Mini.
Right. So eggs up.
If you think about it, this is like 750. The Tello's 880, isn't it? So let's say it's 1/10 of its weight.
We've got a Jeep in
That
there.
can lift 600 grams really. If
We've
you
got
scale it up.
the Plymouth in there.
So this is not as good in terms of weight ratio.
Still.
Oh, I'm so cold.
You're on this level, for sure.
We've got a.
Good confidence to try and-
We've got that. We've got. Nice fun.
Look, she's like, Was he beat? Bumblebee.
Right, and so 550. 550. Oh my goodness me.
Right, just move out of the way, so it's not going up.
Take it off. Right. Oh. Turn it a bit. So. Right, and here we go. Isn't it?
Not like it's
What's going on there?
I didn't touch anything.
Why is it having a wobble?
that fan time's hot.
I think you just end it with the 500 grams.
No, this has got to do this one. We've got to do this. Let's go and get the. Just run in and get the other battery out. It's in the cupboard.
That was really weird. I didn't like it at all. It was.
Right, here we go. New battery going in.
Take it off from the floor this time.
Yeah.
That's a yellow light.
Just wait a second.
Yeah.
Let it do its home point.
Take off.
All good?
It's a bit more steady than last time.
Right then. After this little wobble, we've got a new battery in there, fully charged. Let's connect Buzz up to the. This is a bigger. This is 555 grams, I think. Is it still flying? Okay. Okay, here we go. Will it lift? Oh my word, he's got it! He's got it, it's in the air, but it's struggling. I've chased it down the garden. Let's bring it on back. Let's bring it on back. Like I say, what an absolute monstrous amount of Tello. Well, yeah, Tello load. It's Tello payload.
Tello.
So let's just try and get this on the scales for one last time. We've got 4 cars. We've got an egg. We've got a Buzz Lightyear and 3 Tellos weighing in at a massive 530 grams. Is everything? Oh no, he's not on properly. It's more than that. It's more than that.
550.
Oh my word! What did that go up to? That went up to 570. Then it can't be that much, surely. Oh, I'm struggling getting it all on. Are we all? No, still not on. Yeah. Oh, 556 grams. What an absolute beast. Bring it over. Come to daddy. There it is. There it is. We'll make the calculations and we'll work it out. We've got the
Tellos over here.
yeah, we've got the Tellos in the pile, the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Pro Platinum. Which one has got the most power to weight? That is what we want to know. This thing was just...
That was impressive.
That was impressive. It is a monster though, isn't it?
They were all pretty
That
impressive.
was impressive for such a small thing.
Tellos
were good.
Yeah.
We shall see. I'll work it out. We'll put it in. We'll follow it up. Here we go. Power to weight. Who was the winner? Which one has got the best power to weight? It's the Tello. 73 grams payload. 91% weightlift. The Mavic Mini came in 62% weightlift. And then the big dog, 74% weightlift on the Mavic Pro, which is a beast. It's been a use. It's not been a use to you, has it? Let's face it. But if you've enjoyed that, drop us some comments and tell us how stupid we are.
This is what happens when you're in lockdown and you're males.
This is what we do. This is what we do. We just get carried away.
Yeah, very much. And I hope you've enjoyed that anyway.
Yeah, drop us a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Cheers, guys.